Hi everybody, we're back with more Revit training, and today we're going to look at a call out views. I know I've done this before, we're going to take it a little further. So to create a call out view, I'm using this electrical model I have. This is a more electrical area, and we already did the elevations in the prior video. So here, to do a call out view, you would select, you go to the view tab here, then you'll select call out view. It can be rectangular or sketch. Normally it's used rectangular, so we'll go and do a rectangular here. And again, let me just show you this. So you can always, let's see, do this here. You can always select this and go to call out view and just hover over this. And it'll sort of explain to you and tell you what you need to do in this little pull down. But in the meantime, we want to go here and I'm going to do a call out rectangular, and we want to select this area right here. Okay, so now we have our call out view, and then what we can do here, you can select and double click this or you select it. So I'm going to right click it here and want to go, one second here, let me select this guy, right click, and you can go to view. So we'll go to this view, and then there we have our call out view. So I'm going to set this to fine because now we're dealing with a view template here in this case. So to deal with that, you want to go to our view templates. You want to go manage view templates here, and I'm going to go, wait a second here. Let me think about how you do this for a minute. Interesting. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to remove this view template. I don't want to use this, so I'll go view template. We'll manage. Oh, I'm sorry. Here's how you fix that. You go to your properties, and you go to, it says view template. This is electrical, and you probably want to use this. But for this exercise, I don't want to use it. I want this in fine. So I'll hit this here, and I'll say none. Apply, and OK. So now I hover over this, and I have the option to change this. I'm down here, and I'm change this to fine. And so there's our call out. So now what we can do, sorry about that, folks. That was my telephone here. So within our call out view, we can also call out an elevation. So I'm going to double click this guy and open this view. And as you can see, there's our view. And what I want to do here, I'm going to just, I can shut these off or leave them on. I'm going to hide in view. And then what I want to do, I'm going to do another call out within said elevation so we can pick up these conduit and everything. So we can go here again and go to our call out view rectangular. And we can just go here to here. So basically we can do this like we did the elevation views and everything. And then we can select this and grab the dots and move this over here like such. And then again, you can select this and we can go to this view. And there. Okay, but I want to undo this and I want to take this back and just bring in more elements. So maybe we want to call out this this transformer, this switchboard. So let's just grab these three items. Do another call out here. Rectangular. And let's pick all this up right here. Now this is good because what you can do is you can go and bring in different equipment and focus on it. So here, and then we go to our properties, and you can see these views generating. Where someone will be from plan view. There it is right there. So here, I want to select this one and I want to go to that view. So now you have, let me hide this. And now here, we can do it again, make this fine. And there's our conduit going into the equipment. And then, you know, we can crop this. Let's crop this out, make sure we get everything we need. Maybe the hangers, connections on the ceiling. So we're gonna adjust this and play around with it. Okay. And then you've got this view now, and okay, this is call out transformer MCC, which is good. But we want to go into this one. So this is the one we're in. Oh, no, it's not. That's the power plant. I'm sorry. So I'm going to go back to my call out here. Yes, this is it right here. It's coming from this one. So I want to right click here. Let's rename this. We can call this anything. Let's call it, let's just say dimensions or detail view. Let's just call it dimension view. And then we go okay here. So we got another view here. So now while I'm in this view, let's go and we can go in here and do our add dimensions and notes. So I'm gonna go to the cancel this, I'm sorry, cancel this, go to my aligned, go to my annotate, my align dimension, and just say select this. Jeez, I'm sorry folks, this phone just going crazy today. Here, and go in here, across to here. Now again, I might want to, I want to annotate this view, and I want to pick up some more stuff. So we can go in here, let me see, I want to crop that out that far. So we're cropping like we did before, so we need at least want to see these walls, and we got other connections here. So what I do now is I can go here, and let's just go in and do our align dimension here. And then we can go into our properties here. Let's just go here. Let's just, we want to go here and say wall faces. And we select that one, and go to that, and that one. Now we see what's going on here. Let's bring these down, or we can move them anywhere. So what I want to do now is I want to select this guy. You can do this here. So you can select this, got our properties, and we can go down to our units format here, and we want to uncheck this. We want to adjust these to, let's say, an 1/8 of an inch. Hit OK, apply, OK. So there's our dimensions. If we get other dimensions in here, let me just go here and here to the top and bottom. So now you got another entire view of these elements. Then we can tag these and everything like we would normally do, and then here. Let's dimension this guy out here. So this is something you can do. It'll probably be on a test or something. You can select this and select this dimension and go into our edit type, and then where it says read convention, it says up level, and we can change this guy here to horizontal. So there you go, horizontal dimension for that equipment. So this is how you would do crop view. So you could go from the from this drawing here, actually from our power plan, we did crop view here. Then we went to our call out view, which you can get at a name if you like. And then there's our elevation view from that crop that we cropped from this view. I'm sorry, from this view actually. And this can be adjusted. Actually, you may want to do 1 or 2 or whatever. But that's how it all works, guys. Hey, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed on my videos, please subscribe. So, but that's how you want to do call outs in Revit. So, guys, thanks again for watching. Please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, and y'all be safe. Be warm. Bye.